everything comes in a Venustas branded bag here. Look at that. You got your owner's manual, and of course we have our hoodie. So that's nice. You get a nice little bag there for storage. And there's our battery there. And it's a pretty typical looking hoodie. It comes in 4 different colors. It comes in this light gray. It comes in a darker gray, navy blue, and also in black. The outer shell is 65% polyester and 35% cotton. And the inside shell is 100% polyester. As you can see there, so it's nice and soft, and that's also going to help with comfort and your heat retention as well. Okay, and then on the right or left side hip area, we have a zippered pocket, and this is where your battery is going to go. And you got a little plug in there for the battery, and so we're good to go there. So if you take a look on the bottom of the battery, we have our USB-C charging port. And we also have another USB port for charging if you want to charge your phone on the go, which is nice. And then on the top, we have our power port where you plug in the battery. And then there's a power button on it. Let's see if we do this, see if it comes on. And it does. I mean, you can see you have 4 LED indicators there that will show you, indicate the battery life. And as you can see, it's about half right now. So it will definitely need to be charged up. So once again, our zippered pocket, and then we just plug it in, tuck it back into the pocket here, and zipper back up. And it's nice, the zipper is really nice, and it's actually hidden pretty nicely as well, so you really can't see it there. It's really kind of in the seam, but it's got a nice smooth operation to it. Doesn't stick, which is nice. Nothing worse than a sticky zipper. Okay, and then to turn it on, you just have your power button here, and you just press and hold the power button for a couple of seconds. And then you see that it comes on, and we'll get a red light there. And it's got fast heating technology, so the hoodie will heat up within about 3 seconds. You're going to start feeling warmth. So that's really nice when you're outside. You want this thing to heat up as quickly as possible. No preheating necessary, which is really kind of nice. And then just for controlling the power, just a press of the button, and you'll see that's your medium setting, which is white, and then your low setting, which is blue. And to power the hoodie off, you just have to press and hold the button. Oops. For a couple seconds here, and then it will turn off. And I believe on high, you get 131 degrees Fahrenheit. Medium is 113, and then on the lowest setting, it's 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, the battery is fully charged, and as you can see, I have the hoodie on. You have fleece lining in the hood. The hood is completely adjustable. You have metal eyelets where the hoodie drawstring is, and ribbed cuffs. So just overall a premium feel to this hoodie. When I did turn on the heating element, it went into preheat mode. Okay, so it pulsed red, and I could feel within 3 to 5 seconds, I could definitely feel it start to get warmer really quickly. After a couple of minutes, and when it felt like it reached temperature, I noticed that it stopped pulsing red and it actually went to the white color, which is a medium. So it must default to medium heat after it preheats up. And it was plenty warm, but I wanted to see how much warmer it would get, so I put it on the high setting. And after several seconds, it got warmer and warmer, and it got plenty hot. In fact, it got to a point where it was too hot and I had to turn it off because I started to sweat. So the heating element works really well. It heats up fast and it gets plenty warm. The heating element is a premium carbon fiber heating element. And essentially it's 5 sets of carbon fiber coils that run throughout the hoodie. You have 2 in your upper chest, 2 in the pocket area, and then 1 in the mid back. Now my favorite thing is the pocket area. First is you get a very spacious pocket. Secondly, that heated element inside is nice because my hands are constantly cold in the wintertime, and it's nice to know that I can just jam my hands into the pocket to get them warm. I don't need hand warmers. I don't need gloves. And that's something that it's probably my favorite feature on the hoodie. overall. What do I like about this hoodie? There's a lot to like, but I'm going to narrow it down to 5 things for you. 1, it's got a durable and stylish design. 2, it's comfortable. It's made of soft material. It's extremely comfortable right out of the box. 3, the heating system. It gets warm fast, stays warm, and even after it's off, I noticed that the hoodie does a nice job of retaining that heat. 4th is something I hadn't touched on yet, and that is the fact that you can machine wash this. You can machine wash or hand wash this hoodie and just hang it to dry. So there's nothing special you have to do to clean the hoodie. And 5, I touched on it already, my favorite thing, the heated pockets. So what could be improved? Honestly, I don't think there's anything on this hoodie that can be improved. I think Venustas did a good job of creating a hoodie here that is very good. And honestly, to this point, I can't find anything that I do not like about it. So overall, I like the hoodie. I'm a big fan of hoodies, like I mentioned earlier. This one's great. It's comfortable. It's stylish. It's durable. And it just feels great. If you're in the market for a hoodie, or you love hoodies like me, or you just want to try and jump into the world of heated apparel, you check out the Venustas Heated Pullover Hoodie. You won't be wrong. You can't go wrong with it. I recommend it. I think it's great.